sleepy voice on because I don't know. I've been up for like an hour. I don't know why I still sound like this. Pretty crappy day outside, and it's raining. Yeah, it's raining, so I'm not gonna be speeding because I don't want to fuck anything up. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna take you guys on like a regular Saturday. Like, if I didn't work the night before, I would get up early like I did today, early as in 10. If I worked, I wouldn't get up until like 2 in the afternoon. But I'm up, so I'm gonna go check out family. And I can't pull up with no food, so I'm getting food. You can hear the rain. I don't know how to switch the camera. Still, this guy, Best Buy tricked me. Oh, excuse me. Anyways, I will record when I'm at the Jamaican restaurant because I don't like y'all. A lot of y'all know about Jamaican. That shit is fire. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the options when I get there. Okay, hi guys. So I have entered today, and I'm getting Lowering Springs, H&R Lowering Springs, and I'm getting spacers put on Sakuro. Look at her with, hold on. Can I change the color of that?
Got powder coated.
Called powder coat. Power coat? Powder?
Yeah.
Powder coat. Okay. I want it to be.
Don't spray paint.
Don't spray, powder coat. Got it. Alright. So what Justin is doing here is taking shit out to I don't even know. Oh, I am recording. There's a whole bunch of space back here.
Yeah, holy bit.
For what?
Alright, so the chassis is based off of the 3 Series chassis. So some 3 Series hold an auxiliary battery there.
Oh.
Because it's the M3, it doesn't need it.
Okay. I'm hungry. Y'all ate already? I'm hungry.
No. Yeah. What you say, you're hungry?
Yeah. Gonna eat breakfast here or no? Well, okay.
Nah, I don't really eat breakfast. I'm on the way to lunch.
And there's a guy that comes by, right?
Yeah, if you're brave enough to eat off of him.
Okay, then got it. Don't eat from the truck. Oh, I have to do. Nothing. I'm starving. That's how I was just saying I'm hungry. But if we lower it, why are we taking off all that shit up here?
Because the strut is bolted at the top of it.
The what is?
The strut.
Oh.
The shock.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, you're gonna get famous. Put his Instagram in there. So
He's
you
not.
Get followers.
He doesn't want to be in it, so I'm getting his hand.
Yeah, you want to strap to your chest so you get POV?
You watch too much porn.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
You want to hear my talk about POV over there?
It is a POV view. Oh my god. Oh, and I want these to powder coated for this one too.
What?
The calipers. I really want to. Oh, I can't get them pink. Pink is just screaming at me, but. Oh. That's a pretty car. All right.
It's the only thing I hate about the CS.
Why?
I usually have my hand right here, so I can like. It's the worst.
Now you can't.
Now I can't.
How do you feel sitting in it though? Like with the wheel, with the thingy?
I mean, I'm used to it by now with the shop car. I definitely don't like it.
What's the shop car?
It has the white carbon buckets.
Okay. Which car does?
The shop car, the M3, the blue M3.
The blue one?
Yeah.
The gray?
You never saw my shop car before?
Is it the one way on that side that has like the hood kind of up right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you say the shop car, what do you mean? You guys just...
I mean, that's the car that we take out to race, you know, represent us. Whenever we go out to the track, that's the main car that we're focusing on to like run crazy times.
How fast is it?
Right now, the last setup we had it on, it made 1,080.
Wow.
Right under 1,100.
What's done to it?
Everything.
Oh my God.
Nah, not everything. The only thing that's not done is the cams. We don't have a built head.
Okay.
So we did a built bottom end, and then we threw a 7275 on there with our single turbo kit.
Okay.
And
So you guys changed some stuff around.
Oh, the steering wheel straight on the brake. Ready?
Yeah. We changed a lot around.
Okay.
But nah, for sure it's moving, I think.
I want to see it. I want to sit in it when it's moving to see what that feels like.
Yeah, hopefully we should be getting it back up and running within like the next week or so, because the head gasket took a shit on us because we have a stock head. And
Okay.
so now we're about to do built head, built bottom end, full thing.
All right. So you guys can't come to my car meet tomorrow?
Your car meet tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm having a car meet. Come on, you guys
Yeah, we
gotta
could.
come.
I get these guys to come out.
Okay, good. Good.
You gonna save a spot for us? We just
I
need-
don't know how many spots.
That's what I'm saying. You can't ask us to come and you don't save a spot.
Okay,
for-
I will listen. I don't
for
even.
us
This is my
specifically.
first time having a car meet, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to do. I don't know anything. It's 100 spots, car spots. So I feel like we have a lot.
Yeah, we just need 4 spots.
4 spots.
Wait, actually 5.
5 spots.
Porsche, Paulie's M3,
Okay.
his homeboy's M3, Sean's car, and yeah, probably like another black M340 with a single
What time
turbo.
you coming though? I need to know the time so I can have it set up. It
I-
starts at 8. So what time would you come if I had your 5 spots?
8. Ooh. Hey Justin, you got side work tomorrow? You got side work tomorrow? Yeah. Oh shit. What you supposed to do on it? Like an oil change?
Brakes. Check trans leaking fluid.
Oh, just like an overlook though, not like a.
Yeah, I gotta change the brakes.
Okay. All right, I'll say probably like 9:30.
No. Oh my God. Jesus.
I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
Me and Justin are the only Jamaican ones, but everybody runs on Jamaican time.
Yeah,
here.
no,
it's
facts.
crazy.
I get that.
It's crazy.
I'm a Jamaican, but I'm on American time.
I try to be on American time.
Okay. 9:30. Okay, so I need to hold a spot. 4 spots.
Yeah, 4 spots. We might be earlier because you know Justin might work quick,
Okay.
and we might be done.
I need you to figure it out tomorrow, Justin. I need you at 8:30.
Ready? Yeah. You say you trying to go out to her car meet, Justin?
Car meet?
Yeah, Sasha.
Tomorrow. Kelsey's Lounge in Hollandale. That's by your house. Don't you live in like Summertime?
Oh shit, that's y'all area type shit, my nigga. That's y'all area.
Exactly. Okay, yeah. We're gonna make it work. I'll hold y'all 5 spots. Okay.
Alright, good.
Okay, so this is her without shoes on. No shoes. I don't even have a whatchamacallit yet. License plate. Okay, so Justin is the expert, and he said he's gonna get it done in 3 hours.